Good morning, I'm Nanette, this is Fabulocs, and this is Fabulocs Live. And before I get started, I did do something different with my hair, I want to share that. So last week I had the micro twist out. Remember, it was micro twisted, it was coming to the side, I had the little rollers on there. So I took them out, so this is the next day. You can see if I turn around, next day. And I've been exposed to the rain, but it's still very lovely, I like it. But today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how to apply the Fabulocs Intense Moisture Therapy, which is this product. This is the original. It comes in original, lavender, and peppermint, depending on what you like and what you need. Right? So I'm going to use the original today. And also, how to apply our styling paste to locks, right? So first of all, this is one of my clients, Stephanie. She's been with me quite some time. Yeah, it was a cold, dark, rainy night, as I like to explain. And she came on in, and she needed our help. We got a little one in here, so bear with me. She came in, she needed our help. I said, sure, I'll help you, Stephanie. Let's go ahead and get those locks started. And it's been Rapunzel ever since.
11 years.
And she's loving it, as she said. Okay, so we just washed the hair, we just conditioned. And now we're actually going to apply our moisturizer to the hair. So you're going to take, this is the moisturizer, I just put some in here just for this special occasion. You're going to take a little moisturizer and you're going to apply it to the hair as such. And when you apply your moisturizer, you want to rub it in. Right now the locks are open because they're wet. So as you know, whenever you wash locks, usually if they're not already brick hard or too hard from not moisturizing them properly, they will expand. So when they expand, you can put your moisture in. So you rub your moisture in real good, like that. And you want to put a good amount in there because once the hair dries, follow me down the lock. Once her hair dries, the locks are going to close up. So any moisture you put on after the hair is dry is going to sit on the top. So that's why you take advantage of putting your moisturizer on heavy while the locks are wet after your shampoo. And you should take some time to get the moisture in there so that it's nice and good. Now our Intense Moisture Therapy has 13 different essential oils in there. So it moisturizes really, 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 really well. Really well, to the point where the locks are really soft. So one benefit to using this moisturizer while your hair is locking and on your lock journey is that, say you want to eventually take your locks out, which is what I did. I had my locks for about 13 years. I used the only moisturizer I used was our Fabulocs Intense Moisture Therapy. And when it was time for me to take my locks out, my locks were so soft that my hair was in very good condition and I was able to retain my hair. So that would be a really good reason to use a great moisturizer, just in case you want to do that. If you don't moisturize properly, then your locks are going to get hard, especially as they age. So you'll notice, if you could zoom in on the lock for me. So you'll notice with a lot of people, the locks are real soft, and you can tell by looking at them that they're really soft. The locks are really soft, and then they get harder as they go up because the locks have aged. They start locking tighter. They're not using a lot of moisturizer on their hair or enough moisturizer. And you lose your volume in your hair. You'll lose your volume in your locks by not moisturizing, by allowing them to be dry over time. You'll just start seeing all the volume disappear and your locks will just be super flat to your head like that. So these are really good reasons to moisturize. So if you plan on taking your locks out, then you definitely need your hair to be in good condition. Now, Stephanie's hair is color treated. So obviously color treated hair can be a little bit more dry, which is all the more reason to make sure that you're moisturizing using the Fabulocs Intense Moisture Therapy. All moisturizers are not the same. This is pure moisturizer. Its sole purpose is to soften your hair, moisturize your hair. Okay. So now, you can come around here for me. Once you apply this, going down the lock like that, make sure you get it in. The next step is to move to our styling paste, which is this product right here. See that? And so I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this. This is a really cool product. So this is how you use it. And as you can see, these textures are different. So you take some out. You don't need a whole lot. Go in the back of your hand. See you guys later. Bye-bye. All right. Bye-bye. All right. So yes, and so you just kind of press it down on all sides like that. This is how it looks. And you work from your hand here, right? So we're going to start here. What's great about this is that it holds the hair. You can zoom in for a second. It holds the hair without making the hair hard, like a gel, like as if you were using a gel or something of that nature. Because like I said, you don't want to allow your locks to get really, really hard and dry. Because like I said, what if you want to take the lock out eventually? Plus, who wants hard hair? You know, you sleep, you got these hard twigs, you know, uncomfortable on your head. And then, God forbid, you're married too. They're like, "What? Come on, honey." You know, you don't have to live like that. Just moisturize your hair and use the right product. So, as you can see, all of that's laid down. You probably notice I'm doing a specific type of method while using this product. So, I'm gonna go here. So this is called wrapping. So I'm picking up the hairs and I'm wrapping them in. I prefer this method, especially with the use of this product, because it's super neat. All the hair is going in one direction. So think about this. You know, I like to think through things. So think about this. If your hair is locking, right? Locking is matted hairs. Matted, all hair is matting, right? And if it's organized, where you're taking it, can you zoom back in for me? You get these edges, right? If your hair is matting and you're allowing it to mat in an organized way by actually moving the hairs where you want them to be, see how they're coiled around, then think about that. It's probably going to be a lot easier to take the locks out if you choose to do that, opposed to me taking Stephanie's hair, or say we took this one, separating it, and just saying, oh, I'm just going to do this. Now, look at this before I do it. And I'm not downing palm rolling, because palm rolling does have use. But look, right? And then I do all this. Now, you see, it can be neat if I keep doing it. But as it mats, the hair is going to be going all in different directions. Well, why not allow your locks over time to mat more organized, so that when you take it out, it's got this smooth, wrapping around real smooth like that. Every time you do your maintenance, you're doing that. Taking it out will definitely be a little easier. All right, so we're going to go here. But once again, let me show you. You put the styling paste on the fuzzy hair, and then you wrap it around like that. Wrap it around, wrap it around. And you see how you can barely see it? Sometimes people will overuse this product. This product actually lasts a really, really long time. You don't really need to be able to see much of it. As long as it feels like it's there, that's enough. That's all you need. Don't try to make it white with product thinking that that's going to help. But then you end up with buildup. So the styling paste also has our 13 essential oils in it. It has beeswax in it as well. So, you know, some people, oh no, not beeswax. Well, all beeswax is definitely not the same. You know, a lot of beeswax products are primarily petroleum, and you're probably overusing the product. So if you're using products that have beeswax, just make sure you don't see it. And if you don't see it, see, I can barely see it. You know, barely see it. Then you'll be fine. You don't have to worry about a bunch of buildup. Not to mention, this is an all-natural product, so it's either going to be absorbed into her hair or it's going to evaporate. The oils will evaporate out of her hair. But in any case, natural or not, if you use too much product, then you're going to end up with buildup. So if you could come back in, I just want them to see what we're doing here. And you see how quick this method can be if you learn how to do it properly. Other thing is with this product, like say you have, let me go back over this one. Say you have new locks and you're going through that fuzzy, super fuzzy phase. Well, just imagine if your stylist took time to wrap all of that hair down, all the way down the lock, all the way down, right? It would be so much neater, opposed to just, sometimes they'll just take this part here, bam, you got all this fuzz here, and then they stick the clip in, and it's like, okay, Well, this part looks great, but what about all the fuzz going down my lock? So you see I'll end up just palming it at the end, but I don't rely on the palm rolling really to secure the fuzz in the lock. So this is a much healthier way to do your hair. And you don't need to clamp it. You know, sometimes if your stylist is taking a clip for every lock and clamping it to your scalp and then, you know, dry roasting you under the dryer over there, then what about the metal sitting on your scalp? You know, those kind of things need to be considered. So what I suggest is take a clamp and put a few locks in it, and don't clamp it down to the scalp. Just clamp it down to the locks around it. It's much healthier that way. Trust me, over time, if you're not doing that, you're going to see some problems with some hair loss where that clip was sitting on your scalp while you were under the dryer for an hour and a half. So yeah, just protect yourself. All right, we're almost finished this area here. Also, I just wanted to mention that because we have the 13 essential oils in our moisturizer and the 13 essential oils in our styling paste, you don't need a whole bunch of additional moisturizers. Matter of fact, I wouldn't recommend using anything else except a light oil in between, perhaps. And that would just be for sheen. So kind of look at it like this, right? When your hair is wet, load up with moisturizer, right? When your hair is dry, whatever you put on it is probably only going to get on the outside of a lock, because locks close up when the hair dries, as they dry. So if you just if you just need a little something for sheen, when you put your oil on, you might get a little bit of that. But usually, even with locks, like say you're in your second week, third week, you put your oil on and you don't get sheen, that means your hair is too dirty. You got to go ahead and wash it. And here's our last one here. Great. Now, you see I left a little bit this here. Don't try to put that in. This is how your clients end up with their receding hairlines from lock maintenance. Like, that doesn't look like it's going to go in there. I would use a little bit of mousse or something and put a strip on before I put her under the dryer, but I'm not going to try to rip her edges back into here like that. All right. So I want to thank you guys for being with us today for our demonstration of our intense moisture therapy and our styling paste, which can be found at www.fabulocs.com. We're going to be opening our store at 12 o'clock today in Capitol Heights. I will be here to answer all of your questions, help you out with products and consultations until 5 o'clock.